Hi, Katie. I am so excited that you're up on the 11th hour. Wait, so when I talk to you, you put your back to me. How's that even a thing? How's that a thing? That's where I brush out all her knots. She's like balded. And there, I believe it looks like eczema. So, I don't know, but I'm not happy. And she's completely healthy. She's been immunized with canine and feline and all of it. So, should I have cortisone cream is all I can come up with. There's no way she has mange or anything. We don't go anywhere. There's no way. I looked it up. So, if you're bald, I'll still love you. And maybe we'll go bald together. So, you gotta look at it. Where'd you go? I'm sorry. Where's that baby go? Oh. Big trough. Let's hit that one. You hungry, honey? Of course, because you took all my books down out of the bookcase and that happened. Thank you for that. Not.